everyone, it's your girl here. I'm gonna survive with $2,000 with only vending machine. With over 100 vending machine at Singamihara, middle of nowhere. See, I thought this place is like a city area, but it's not. Right now the problem is I only have cash and I have to find a money changer. I need to find a vending machine over here. I think that should be a money changer right here because so many vending machine. The Google address over here, right? It says used tire, and it literally is a used tire right here. I don't understand what is the link between used tire and the vending machine. Let me go inside and right now I have the money here. It's time to shop. I'm gonna go with this ramen first because I'm hungry. It's 350. Oh, this is the new. It's taste test. It's quite fresh, you know. It doesn't feel like microwave food. And this is like some brown rice noodles. Let me try the soup. It's miso soup and some veggie. The veggie is quite crispy. Overall, I give it 9 out of 10. Oh, they even have this ice in Asia we call ice gacha. Let me try this. Too bad. Try the burger. There's two of it. The burger is so small. It has wrapper. Oh, this is appealing. Here goes the taste test. It felt like a school canteen burger. Give me a flashback of the school nightmare. 5 out of 10. I'm so full right now, but I think I still can go with some snack. Popcorn. Oh, barbecue. Hot and chocolate left. We need to wait for like a 30. I can already smell the popcorn. It's done. Ah, so hot. You only can take the side. Let me open it. It's so bitter. It doesn't taste like chocolate at all. I give it a 3 out of 10. Why is this thing so expensive? I think it's because it's like a chair. If I buy this for 1,000, I won't have enough money to buy other thing else. Because like the first time, because the first time I was like here, it's like still have. I'm gonna decline. It's time to do some back stuff. Secret. It says that we support your no smoking. The package is literally secret. Candy only. So no smoking, okay? The inside is a bit shady looking. Dark. Look at here. Ooh, what would it have here? I mean, that's so weird. Like only one item in a box. I think I'm gonna try this. It's 20. 20. Guess what? How to press? Oh. God. The best. I wanted the strawberry one, but I just don't know how you open it. It's so weird. I can't swallow it. I think this is bubble gum. I never tried bubble gum before because Singapore. Yeah, I give it 10 out of 10 because it's bubble gum. But I don't know how to blow it. After eating so many food, I'm so thirsty. Let me drink some beer. Nah, it's not good to drink beer. But how do they know whether I'm underage or not? And literally, there is no IC or anything. It is like so affordable, only 150. The cola. But I think I'm going with the cola. What a pure lies. It's not even a cola. It's orange juice. I give it a 1 out of 10 for not being honest. I feel like if you come to Japan, you must try this. The taste is just exactly like ice cream kind of snack. 9 out of 10 because it gave me childhood. Ew, why is this battery so rusty? Ew, even the I don't know. I touched some saliva or something. Whoa, is this like a game or something? Like turn and then you buy which one? Uh, I think you just press what you get. A chocolate vanilla ice cream, nothing special, and it's not lucky draw. I give it a 5 out of 10. Whoa, it's so late already. I need to buy myself some dinner. I'll buy some curry. I'll keep this chicken curry as my dinner. I only left this already. I'll use the rest of money to take me to the hotel. So scary and dark. It's literally so shady. So please subscribe. It's just a button. I spent hours and hours to film this tonight. And right now I need to get back in such a darkness. It's so scary. So subscribe. I'll see you on the next. Peace.